So sa video na ito ay aking i-discuss kung paano natin mahanap yung x-intercept at y-intercept ng ating linear equation. So ang ating linear equation ay y equals to x minus 4. So dapat mong maintindihan na yung x-intercept ay isang point na nagtatouch sa ating x-axis. At sa point na iyan, automatic na ang ating y ay 0. So yung hahanapin lang natin talaga is yung value ng x para makompleto na yung ating x-intercept. So first step, copy mo muna yung equation, y equals to x minus 4. And then, since yung y natin ay 0, isa-substitute mo yung 0 sa ating y. So it will become 0 equals to x minus 4. At isolve lang natin yung x. So sa ganitong step, dapat nating i-transpose yung negative 4 sa kabilang side ng equation. So maging 0 plus 4 equals to x. So it will become 4 equals to x. And to solve for x, divide natin both sides by 2. Therefore, our x is equal to... So yung x-intercept natin ay 2 at 0. Alright, y-intercept. Kung anong proseso natin dito ay ganun din ang mangyayari. Yung difference lang talaga nila is this time, instead na 0 yung ating y, yung x ang magiging 0. Kasi yung y-intercept is yung point na makikita sa y-axis. So yung x niya na coordinate ay 0 at hanapin natin yung partner niya na y. First step, copy natin yung equation. Y equals to x minus 4. At papalitan na natin yung x ng 0. At solve for y. So y equals 2 times 0 minus 4. Y equals 2 times 0 is 0 minus 4. Therefore, yung y natin ay negative 4. So ang ating y-intercept ay 0, negative 4. Alright, so again, do not forget na pag hinahanap yung x-intercept, yung y-coordinate ang 0. So, copy yung ating equation. Y equals 3x plus 2. Next, substitute na natin yung 0 sa ating y. So, 0 equals 3x plus 2. Let's solve for x. So, 3x equals. Transpose natin si positive 2 sa kabila, it will become minus 2. So, 3x equals negative 2. To solve for x, divide mo kung ano yung number na katabi ng x. So, divide by 3. At divide mo din sa kabila. So, our x is negative 2/3. Therefore, our x-intercept is negative 2/3 and 0. So, for y-intercept again, yung 0 natin ay nasa x-coordinate. So, first copy na natin yung given. 3x plus 2. Yung x ang magiging 0. So, substitute na natin ito sa 0. 3 times 0 plus 2. Your y equals, well, 3 times 0 is 0 plus 2. So, our y is positive 2. And therefore, yung y-intercept natin ay 0 and positive 2. Alright, what if you're given this kind of form? Linear equation pa din nito, kaya lang, ito ay nakaset up sa standard form. Well, same lang talaga yung gagawin natin. So, let's begin by the x-intercept. Don't forget, yung y natin yung 0. So, copy natin yung equation. Then, substitute na natin yung y dito as 0. X plus 2 times 0 equals 3. Solve for x. So, x times muna tayo. 2 times 0 is 0 equals 3. To solve for x, it's 3 minus 0. Therefore, yung x natin ay 3. So, ang ating x-intercept ay 3 and 0. Alright, solve na natin yung y-intercept. And huwag kalimutan parate na pag y-intercept yung sinusolve natin, yung x ang parating 0. Copy na natin yung given, first step. Then, syempre, second step is substitution. So, papalitan mo yung x ng 0. So, 0 plus 2y equals 3. And then, solve for y. 2y equals to 3 minus 0. 2y equals 3. And to solve for y, divide natin kung ano yung number sa tabi niya. At sa kabila din dapat. So, our y is equal to 3 over 2. And our y-intercept is 0 and 3/2. Okay, last example, 2x plus y equals 2. And try din natin siyang i-graph para mas clear sa inyo na talagang x and y-intercepts yung hinahanap natin. So, let's begin with x-intercept. So, x-intercept, don't forget, yung y ang 0. So, 2x plus y equals 2. Then, substitute natin yung y as 0. And solve for x. 2x equals to 2 minus 0. Pwede rin hindi na kailangang isulat kasi 0. And solve for x. 2x equals 1. So, our x-intercept is 1, 0. Y-intercept. So, again, sa y-intercept, ang 0 ay sa x natin. Copy yung given. Then, yung x palitan ng 0. So, 2 times 0 is 0 plus y equals 2. No need nang i-transpose kasi 0 lang naman eh. Therefore, yung sagot natin na y is equal to 2. And our y-intercept is 0 and 2. So, graph natin para mas makita nyo talaga yung x sa y-intercept. So, gagawa lang tayo ng so, graph na natin. X-intercept, sabi nga, makikita mo lang siya sa x-axis. So, 1, 0 is here. And, of course, our y-intercept ay makita lamang sa y-axis. So, 0, 1, 2. This is our 0, 2. And to connect them, it will give you our lines. So, this line is the graph of our equation 2x plus y equals 2.